Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax. Today we're out on the water checking out this beautiful Aviara AV28. This is their surf model, newly released in 2024, and we got it in that awesome black and gray two-tone color scheme. You guys come aboard, let's check it out. All right, welcome aboard the Aviara, guys. So as you can see, we're up here in the bow. Awesome thing about this boat is how deep this bow really is. So I've got a pretty long torso. I'm sitting about 6'3", and you can see this cushion comes up almost to my shoulders. And you got the ability to kind of slouch down and get super deep in here, hold on to these handrails. And then if you wanted to, you've got your filler cushion to make this a full sun pad up here. You've also got some stereo controls, a couple cup holders, and some USB plug-ins. We'll make our way back towards the cockpit. You can see you've got this wind dam door here that looks super nice when it's closed, and you have the windshield closed. It gives you a beautiful uniform look from the cockpit there. So we'll make our way back a little bit. Right here on the port side, you can see on this lounger, you do have this adjustable bolster, and this seat back will move forward and back as well to make more room over there on the bench so you can have a larger entertaining space. Take a quick peek at our super spacious helm in there. See, and this helm door does have a magnet to hold it in place if you're getting in and out underway. You can see there's plenty of room in there with a full sink as well. Over here, you got a nice big Simrad screen. We're currently displaying our Mercury engine management screen, so you can see you've got your speedometer and your tachometer, kind of a traditional gauges look. And then over there, we are featuring the surf screen. So that is what makes the AV28S the S. So you can see that is the rapid surf screen. It's an easy way to set the boat up to go surfing real quick. And then as you can see at the top, there's a custom surf tab where you can set your own preferences and presets, and it'll save to the boat itself. Got your Mercury digital throttle over there right behind your switches. And then some smaller features off to the side. You got a wireless charger and actually a cooling cup holder. So if you got something over there, you're captaining the boat, it's gonna keep your drink cold. Pretty cool little feature on here. All right, so making our way back in the cockpit some more. You can see we're getting tons of shade from our hardtop here. This is a powered hardtop, so you just pop these locks on either side and you press a button and it's gonna cascade right down to above the windshield. Once again, huge entertaining space back here. You can really see you can sprawl out. You got plenty of room for others. And underneath each and every one of these seats is going to be a nice large storage compartment. You can see we got our mooring cover in there for this boat, and that will cover everything you see on board all the way to your swim platform back there. Speaking of, back here towards the transom, you can see your battery switches are hidden behind this cushion. It's also your fuse panel there, so that's a nice little hideaway that only you can know about. Don't have to tell anybody. And then, super awesome feature on this boat are your heater tubes. So this boat could be a 12-month-a-year boat, right? You stick this under your shirt and get warm while it's cold outside. Makes for super comfortable riding in the winter months. Back here, you can see on the transom, far back, you got this nice large sun pad that you can lay out on. You got stereo controls and controls for your hardtop, so you can stand clear of it and fold it down. If you guys have any questions about this boat, you can check out MarineMax.com to find the store closest to you, and we're looking forward to hearing from you guys.